how to create Google Cloud account without credit card. So if you want to create a Google Cloud account without the credit card, then first you just need to open up your browser. I'll be here with my Google Chrome browser. Once you're here on the browser, you just need to simply go with the search and search for cloud.google.com. And once you're here, you can simply go for get started for free, which is here in the bottom left, or you can go with the upper right, which has that start free option. Click on get started. Once you click on it, it will take you to the sign up page. And from here, you will have two steps. The first step is you need to enter the country, and you can enter the email updates and go for agree and continue. And on the second step is your payment information verification. So under your payment methods, you can simply add your payments profile, or if you don't want to add this one, then you can simply go with change, which is on the right side, and then you can create a new payments profile. Once you've created, you can add a payment method. So click on add payment method, and then you can add your credit card or your debit card. So as of now, in order to use a Google Cloud account without a credit card is not possible. All users are required to provide a valid credit card in order to create and use a Google Cloud account. So there is no way that you can use a Google Cloud account without a credit card or adding your credit card details. It is mandatory to add a credit card to your Google Cloud account. So creating a Google Cloud account without a credit card is not possible. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.